we're saying basically anything fire with things on its side. Just really. It's going to be a quick. It's going to be a quick hit. All right.